Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your video with blur background in 4K resolution without the latest iPhone. So if you guys don't have an iPhone 14 and you want to make your video looks like it has the resolution of the iPhone, the latest iPhone, you can do this edit on CapCut. So first import your video and copy it. Click on the video and choose copy, and then click on the first video and then go to effects on the first video effect, and find basic and choose blur. This one, click on the check icon and then set the effects align with the first video, and then click on the second effects and go to cutout and choose remove background. Okay, so just wait until the removing background process is finished. Okay, after that, click on the second video, and then make it as overlay. So click on overlay and align it with the first video like so. So the video will look like this with a blur background and good resolutions. Okay guys, so that's our some tips from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment, and last, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for today. See you guys next time.